This is function notation. First, we're going to start off with adding.
So first, I'm going to put f of x plus g of x, because that is the order that we are going to add in. And then I'm going to plug the functions in for where the f of x and the g of x go. So I'm going to put 4x plus 8 plus 2x. And then you combine the like terms, so that's 4x and 2x, which is 6x. 8 does not have any more like terms, so it just stays how it is. And that is the final answer.
Next, we're going to do subtracting.
So again, I am going to put the f of x and the g of x in the order that I'm going to subtract in. I'm going to put each term in parentheses so I know where the negative goes. Now subtracting is basically just distributing the negative, so I'm going to do that. Then again, I'm going to combine the like terms, which are 4x and negative 2x, which is just 2x. And again, 8 doesn't have any like terms, so it just stays 8.
Now we're going to do function notation with multiplication.
This time I'm going to switch the order of g of x and f of x. So f of x will be easier to multiply. G of x is 2x, and f of x is 4x plus 8. Then I'm going to distribute in the 2x to each term. So 2x times 4x is 8x squared. And then 2x times 8 is a positive 16x.
Dividing with function notation.
So I'm going to put f of x on the top and g of x on the bottom. F of x is 4x plus 8. G of x is 2x. Now I'm going to GCF out of 2 since each term is divisible by 2. Now, I can reduce this 2 with this 2. And so our final answer is 2x plus 4 over x.
Function notation with f of g of x.
So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're going to write out f of x, which is 4x plus 8. Then we need to insert the g of x in somewhere, which is where a variable would be. So then it is 4 times 2x plus 8. Then we distribute the 4 into the 2x, which turns out to be 8x. Then you add the 8 on the end, plus 8. You can also do this with g of f of x.
Inverse functions.
Okay, we're going to start off with a new problem. So inverse functions are where you switch the y and the x, so we are going to do that and write our new problem. We still need to keep y by itself to be able to graph this. So we're going to subtract 6 from each side. And to get y by itself, we have to divide each side by 2. And remember, you divide the whole side by 2, not just one number. So the new equation is y equals x minus 6 over 2. And to see if this is a function, you can use the horizontal line test instead of the vertical line test.